Not breaking the law. Public building.
She's not allowed to record when it's on.
We require access to the public gallery. Or you get a court official who can deal with it. You have got no jurisdiction.
That's an instruction, an action. Excuse me, can I come by? I'm waiting to go up.
One sign and then it says do not.
No, Dad, it's because you can't record in the corner.
I'll do it.
No, you can't. It's illegal. It is illegal. Dad. Dad.
Anyway, so if you say you can't film it, it's filming. That's not a sign.
I've looked up the law. You asked me to this morning. But it's fine. They can do whatever they want. As long as you're outside, it's fine.
I thought it was courtroom, but I'll agree with it.
You've got no power. Don't consent to any power.
Are they actually for us or not?
Hello, you alright?
Alright.
It's got the blue line. I think that stands for unity. I've looked it up, but I don't know.
Facing the British flag. It's still defacing of the British flag.
Yeah. I get live free down here. Get Chris down here. There's another one. I can see him in the window.
676, what's your
1445.
1445.
Not too bad.
Everyone's just getting back on.
We have a lawful right to ask any police constable to show their warrant card. In the absence of a warrant card, a police constable has got no jurisdiction over any of us. The only reason that we give our jurisdiction to these people is because they are public servants. Public servants should be acting under the law. So it's our lawful right to ask somebody dressed as a police constable to prove who they are. If they cannot prove that they're a police constable, they have zero jurisdiction over any matter. There is a difference between a police constable who maintains the peace, makes sure that there is no breaches of the law, and a policy officer who are basically a tax collector for a fraudulent government. The government is fraudulent, they have no jurisdiction over us unless it's the consent that we give them. and today we're here to see justice is served for somebody who has been exercising their inalienable human rights to freedom of speech, freedom of assembly and freedom of movement. And the court is trying to thwart that action, and so are the police. So I urge you to go away and learn what your unalienable rights are under the law of this country.
I'd like to add to this as well. The Human Rights Act, let's go way above that, guys. We have ancient ancestral right to petition the monarch if we believe we are being governed unjustly, and that is what position we are in now. We are lawful beings, we stand under the divine creator, and we do not have dominion laid upon us by any man. We do not cause harm. So we are here for the claims to be proven by the claimant, not the prosecutor of the government, because the government are there to protect the people. We, the people, require access to this building today to hear a public and fair trial, and we are being denied that right by officers who refuse to show their warrant card of what authority they stand.
Arrest them!
So we will wait to see if lawful remedy is given.
Arrest them!
We are being told that we cannot exercise our unalienable rights because of legislation that's been brought out by this government subsequent to the Coronavirus Act of 2020. It's both two sides of the same corrupt bird, I'm afraid. Neither political party is going to bring about change, and if you believe you live in a democracy because you can put a cross in a box to vote for one of those two parties, I'm afraid, sir, you're misguided. Democracy is when the people rule. However, we're not in a position for the people to rule anymore because it's the governments, the courts and the police who are completely controlling the narrative. Because you good people are not aware of your unalienable rights to justice.
Look up the Bill of Rights, 1688. They supersede any government power that you do not consent to. You have unalienable rights given to you by the Creator. Accept them, worship them, and live for them. Please.
Hey, resistance. Thank you, Bravo. Hi, calling. She's from she was arrested no, she is in the one.
You are comfortable? You are about here? Did you expect?
Hello, how are you doing?
They're not letting them in. Yeah, they are.
What?
She didn't wear a mask.
Yeah, I haven't been in the court with my camera, but everyone else has argued their point. But Keeley's only allowed in with two people properly in the court. And she was supposed to go in at 12, and it's now almost 1.
Wasting police time.
Hi, Scott. We've had 3 3 police constables.
Two on the bridge. Yeah, before that. Well, there was one on the bridge and then...
Guys, come on, let's just get this done today. I'm sorry. Let's get this done. They're going to start. I'm going to go up. We're going to go up. 2 people I've chosen to go up with me. I'm going back down as soon as possible. We are going to be requiring a trial by jury and for the claimant to prove the claims. So the court itself doesn't have the authority to deal with this matter, so we will be down shortly. Thanks for the support. Good luck, Keeley.
Yeah, all the best.
Where did you go? Say the spots down there. A few minutes away, because I was in the van.
Oh, you're right. Place in the van. Support for charity. Hello, 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 everyone.
Union Jack. I know that for sure.
Come to Reston.
It's not Union. Black like that, blue line one.
It's full black with a blue line in the middle of it. It's not the Union Jack. I think it's all about equality or something, but they shouldn't be facing the Union Jack sort of thing.
No, well, it's actually illegal for them to wear.
Yeah, exactly.
It's defacing of the British flag.
Illegal and unlawful.
Yeah.
On both levels.
Yeah.
So on matrix law and in common law, that's completely.
No, just go
I'm watching.
Who's the lady? The red lady in the red. That was Donnelly.
Hi guys, we've just literally got up to outside the courtroom and been told that it's gone ahead in my absence. So while we were at the door here and we were being restricted access to the courtroom, which is restricting access to justice, there has been another misadministration of justice in my absence in these so-called lawful courts. So the fine is £1,750, but this now instigates the ACRO fine for the £10,000 fine that was issued on the 24th of September. This now convicts me to be able to have that enforceable. So they've given me an appeal form, but I've also got the judge's name, and these people are not going to identify themselves because they were the ones restricting access to justice. The police wouldn't identify themselves, so I will be putting the judge on notice, appealing this because it's absolutely ridiculous. We know we have unalienable rights. I have not caused any harm, loss or injury to another human being. We are under the Creator to be able to express our consciousness, our conscience in any way we see fit, as long as we don't hurt anybody. And that's what we are doing. We are questioning the narrative, we are questioning the lies, because the future, it depends on it, guys. It depends on it. So these courts need to be open for a public decision, a public hearing. And on that note, I'm going to leave it, but thanks for coming today. I'm sorry it's been like a bit of a waste of time. I have so much, I can't even get my words up at the moment, but I was really excited about today for having the judge assist me in these matters to be able to clarify the claimant's proof of claim, because prove that, then all the actions that stem from these arrests are unlawful. You know, we need to stand up in our right, and that's what we've been doing, and we have been persecuted for it. Now this just goes to show what we're up against. I thought I was going to be able to get through this and get my day in court and have a fair and public hearing, but it seems in these modern days, 2021, it's the last thing we're ever going to get. I think someone else is trying to get access to the court.
They do this in China, you know.
Thank
They
you.
do
Well
it
done,
in
Keeley.
China.
I had a really good defence. I emailed the defence in this morning, so they've read it, and this is probably the tactics they're using again. You remember when they muzzled me? They were trying to make you wear a mask to go in? Because the evidence was so bad against them that you can't win in these courts. You cannot win, no matter what. It's just getting tiring now, but you know, it's got to be done. Yeah.
Can you say, show evidence that you were here?
Yeah.
At the time. And there's splits.
But at least this is done now. I can now put my pain back on him. It's just, they've held